How fitting. This is amazing.
Hmm.
Oh, you gotta get one more. Not spelled the same.
What's that?
It's not spelled the same.
Oh, it's not?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Let's go see Miss Susan. Let's go see Miss Susan. All right, let's go see Miss Susan, and then let's go see Mr. Hughes. Where you going, Carter?
Look, there goes Sophia.
Yeah,
How
it
are you
looks
doing?
good.
You've been awful busy. Helping with the family.
Next week is our last week, but it's our busiest with Cash.
Yeah, it wasn't much.
Yeah.
There was only
Oh, the
one
last
thing
one
to
did?
do.
Are kids coming in?
Yeah, field trips. Yeah, so our last one's Friday, so I'll be glad. I mean, it's been nice, the extra little money, and it's fun, but I'm ready to have some lazy mornings.
Yeah.